Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and we are here at Disney's All-Star Music Resort for Christmas. We're gonna take a look around this cool resort for Christmas time here during our stay. So a couple days here, lots to get to. Come with me, I got you. Let's go do this. Beautiful little morning walk. It's crisp. We are here during a little cold snap. It is going to be chilly while we are here, as in topping out around 60 degrees with lows hitting the 30s. So hoodies for sure. So as we head up to get our day started here, you guys, if you follow me, you know I'm a big movie guy. I have a whole other channel where I talk movies because I'm a filmmaker and everything else, AVA pop culture. But I love the All-Star Movies Resort because of the movie vibe. However, I have really gotten to this is like my second or third time here at All-Star Music. I like the vibe here. It's a lot more cozy. Everything is really, really heavily themed in your sections, whether you got the Broadway section like we're in now. My daughter's a dancer and singer. That's awesome. They got the rock and roll and the jazz. And one of my other favorite places to stay here for vibes is Riverside. And right here through the middle in the jazz section, it's like they plucked a little piece of Port Orleans Riverside and stuck it right here in All-Star Music. I dig it. And then up here around the halls is, or the main hall, is the Calypso section. It overlooks the pool. This is your preferred room. The only difference in the preferred room and the regular room is location, the convenience to the main hall and to transportation. Otherwise the rooms are the same. And I make sure I give you a look at the room. But we got here, we had a little one-night stay at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and then got in late over here. So kind of lived in. I'll do my best to give you a good look at that. But I'm enjoying it, and I love being able to walk around here in sweatshirts. I love it. You're not sweating to death, you're not dying. It's awesome. You got the Singing Spirits Bar. Not open yet. It's a little early. Though with the Christmas cheer, I guess it's 5 o'clock somewhere. All right, we're gonna head in and check out the Intermission food court. I actually like this food court. It's pretty cozy and cool. I like it. To this big feller I got right here. There they are. Hello, good morning. A few breakfast offerings this morning. It's a very small, more intimate food court. It's not a huge food court in here, but I like the kind of like cozy vibes.
tasted.
So of course everything here that is Christmas themed is music Christmas themed, because it's all-star music. I love the vibes of Disney at Christmas, and just seeing everything decorated. Just a little look around the lobby. It's a very small lobby here compared to a lot of others, but I love it. I just love there's a coziness to this resort that you don't get at the other all-star resorts, in my opinion. And I think it fits very well with Christmas. And of course music and Christmas kind of go together too. But I love it. So we're just gonna take a look around in here. Pretty tree. And then of course that's right here at the door, and you walk in and here's your lobby. Got some pretty wreaths up through here. While we're here, we might as well go ahead and check out Maestro Mickey's. That is the store here. Let's go take a look. Inside, you immediately see some Christmas stuff. Check this one out. I like that. I like zip-up hoodies. See what else we got. Of course, we got our all-star resort specific merch. Now you guys know, that I wasn't going to come into a store and not at least show you some resort specific merch. Come on. Classic Mickey. Check out some ornaments here. We are in the Christmas jackpot. Check this thing out. That's super cool. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, if I'm not very careful, that one's going home with me. I see that's super cool. I see some cool ears. I'm gonna have to show Risha and my mom and Lana. Those are cool right there. I like these. I really like those. Some Crocs. Christmas Mickey. Now, I don't own a pair of Crocs, and I have huge feet, so I'm not sure I could get my feet into any of those, but I kind of like them. I like the warmth inside. I wear a size 14 or 15 shoe, so sometimes it's hard to find stuff off the rack that fits. Little decorated touches here and there. And of course your basic store goodies down there. The old 2024 stuff is heading out. So it's a smaller store, but it has everything that you need, and they actually have a surprisingly good selection of clothes I've found every time I've been in here for a smaller store. All right, let's go ahead and get out of here. Got a big day ahead. All right, it is the end of night 2 here at All-Star Music, and we tired and full. We went and had dinner at Chef Mickey's. You'll catch that on another video, but it's about 11 o'clock, and it is time to go shower and chill out, because tomorrow we have a big park day and Mickey's Christmas party. So it should be a lot of fun. We'll see you tomorrow.
It looks like it's coming back, and it's a hold.
All right, we are kicking off day 3 here at All-Star Music, and we're gonna go up here and grab a little snack, a little bit of food to start the day. Then we're off to Magic Kingdom because we have Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party tickets tonight, and we just decided to, since it's gonna be such a long night, we decided just to sleep in and putter around the room for a little while, grab some food, and get out there around noon, because we're gonna stay till, you know, 12:30 at night or so when the party is over. So we're looking to have a long day, so a late start, and it's beautiful out here, but around the time the party starts tonight, it's supposed to be around 45 degrees, so going to be a little chilly. It is now lunch and dinner option time here at the Intermission food court. So let's see what they got. There's Justin's roast chicken that he likes to get. Mojo roast chicken. Gonna have more of your sandwiches and pastas and pizzas and stuff over here in this area. Pretty standard burgers. Their main burger here, resort specific burger, is the Blues burger, which obviously has blue cheese on it, if I remember correctly. Yeah, Blues burger, blue cheese, caramelized onions, bacon, and garlic aioli on a toasted bun. And then of course you got your pizzas and pastas. So it's not a huge selection, pretty standard, but it's like for us, we just want a little bit of something and get going. That way we don't have to eat right when we hit the park. So we're gonna grab something and I'll catch you later. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
What is that, the chicken Alfredo?
Yes.
With bread. What'd you get over there?
The tacos.
Oh, they got breakfast tacos still?
She did right over in that little car.
We were here at the crossover between lunch and breakfast, but there was still a place over there that had the rest of the breakfast stuff, so tacos were had. And chicken Alfredo. And a parfait. You ever see somebody say, hell no, I don't like no parfait? Oh, wait, wrong part. All right, it is the end, and I mean the very end of night. What's this, 3? 2, 3?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3.
End of night 3? I'm losing my mind. It's the end of the day.
End of the day,
Here.
it's 38 degrees.
It's about 38 degrees. It's midnight. We're back from Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, continuing our stay at All Star Music. I'm just gonna kind of give you a quiet, empty look around on our way back to the room and say goodnight. So I love this strip down here where Broadway is. How cool is that? On Broadway, they say the neon lights are bright on Broadway. Okay, you know it's late when I've done started singing, so I'm going to spare you all that. I'm going to flip around one last time so you can see this marquee and say goodnight.
You have to show the best marquee.
I don't even know what I'm saying. See y'all tomorrow. All right, it is morning of the final day here at All Star Music. I can't even keep track anymore. Lack of sleep, late night Christmas parties, all days at the park.
Day 4.
Fun, a lot of fun, but last day. Today we are heading up here to grab a little snack, maybe some coffee, and then we are off to Epcot. I'm going to do Festival of the Holidays video, so make sure you guys check that out, and just a day hanging around Epcot, and who knows what else we might get into. We haven't really explored. It's kind of a thing when it's so cold here, it's not like you're getting out in the pools or anything like that, but there are a couple different pools, and you know, I've showed those to you guys, but yesterday it was so cold they didn't even open them, which I don't know if I've ever seen that before, but it was pretty cold. Be a little warmer today. I think the high is like 66 or 67 with a low around 41, 42 degrees, but still cool, but nice to walk around the park and not sweat. Nice to enjoy walking around the beautiful hotel and looking around. It's very picturesque when the sky is blue and the weather is not sweating you to death. But there's all kinds of activities you can do. It's very, the s'mores, very, very cool when they're doing the s'mores and you smell that out here. If you want to bundle up and watch the movies under the stars, you have things like that that you can do here, or just walk around and enjoy it. That's what I'm going to do. Grab a cup of coffee, and I'll see you later. Enjoy the view. Beautiful, beautiful.